Hey y'all, so I wanted to try out these magnetic sheets from Walmart in their hobby section, and I took the sheets and I cut them in 4 pieces, and I have some plastic envelopes that items were shipped to me in, and then I have some stickers, some gem stickers, and these little stickers here from Dollar Tree. So I decided I wanted to use this stuff to decorate these magnetic sheets because their magnetic quality is not very high at all. I was not happy with the strength that they had to stick to metal surfaces. So I'm not going to sell these, but I wanted to share what I did with a few of them. So I'll just use them for me. So I just peeled off the sticky backing and laid it on the envelope, cut it out. I had to cut down these stickers. They were a little too large to use as embellishments on the front. And I knew I needed to keep the weight light anyway because too heavy and they wouldn't stick to my refrigerator. And then I just took some sticky back gems and put those in the center of the larger flowers. And it came out cute. I wasn't happy with how these were sitting. So I just adjusted them, took them apart, cut them down, put some of that pop-up tape back on the back of that, glued that flat down, and I like this much better. So I decided to go ahead and make a second one, so I have 2 for my refrigerator. Same process. This time, though, I learned to spread that plastic sheeting out a little bit at a time instead of just sticking it down, because I did get some bubbles in the last one. I knew better, but I did it anyway. And then I already knew what I wanted to do with this, so I just started dismantling it, cut it down where I wanted it. Built it back and stuck it back on the front. Added my flat back gems. Okay, this is what I ended up with. And I'll keep these extra pieces, and one day when my daughter gets bored, she can make some magnets for her friends. Thanks for watching, y'all.